Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. In this video we will examine a practical example of the power of SBSAR Substance files in Maverick. As you know, Maverick now supports Adobe Substance's SBSAR files natively. The example we will be working on is a jewelry scene with two rings. We will start by going to the Library panel, and browsing to the Shading, Materials, Substance directory. We will drop this aluminium material on the first ring. In the Scene Explorer we will see how a substance map node was created from the SBSAR file, and in Materials we will see the corresponding material that Maverick created and applied automatically. If we update displacement we will see that the height is way too large for a scene this small. Let's adjust its value to match the rings. Let's select the material, and in the displacement rollup we will change the height to 0.05. This value looks far better. Now let's go to the attributes of the SBSAR and browse through its different presets. We will opt for the copper one, despite we want this material to be golden. To this end, we go back to the Library panel, and browse to the Colors tab, Metal Jewelry directory. Now let's click on the Substance node color, and in our color picker, let's keep the eyedropper pressed, and move the mouse over the colors library until we find one that we like. Now let's adjust the tiling of the SBSAR until we like the texture produced on the ring. Let's not forget to update displacement to recompute the geometry. We can adjust the roughness of the material from the Substance node directly, since there is a specific attribute for this. Now let's duplicate the SBSAR node so we can drop it on the other ring. We will again configure displacement with a low height. Here's our second material ready. Let's generate its thumbnail. Let's play with the SBSAR attributes. For this ring we want a silvery look. Let's play around with the attributes to our liking. And here we have our two rings, very easily set up. Let's now apply a material to the floor. Again, from the Library panel, we will pick a fabric material. After updating displacement we find again that the height is too high, which we can fix from the material, like we did before. Let's adjust the UV mapping of this material as well. Let's select triplanar mapping and lower the real size value to 3 cm. And now we will configure the fabric SBSAR. We want a clean look, so we will go for white. Let's come closer to appreciate the beautiful pattern that this substance produces. Finally, let's play a bit with DOF to take some final shots. To this end, we will enable DOF and use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Left mouse button to set the focus wherever we want. We can lower the camera aperture to exaggerate the effect. We will do the same with the second camera. For final renders we may want to adjust the resolution of the SBSAR files in the scene for crisp quality. Actually, we recommend SBSAR sampling resolutions of 512 or 1024 to edit, and 2048 or 4096 for final renders. We will go for 2048 this time, and click the Set as Global Resolution button to flow this change to the other SBSAR files in the scene. If we turn off DOF for a moment we will better appreciate the extra detail that emerged by changing the sampling resolution. As you can see in this example, creating and configuring materials with Substance SBSAR files is extremely powerful, yet easy. Here you can see some final hero shots. We hope that this tutorial got you excited about the Substance SBSAR and Maverick Render Killer combo. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.